I like how my dad said we were gonna get stuck.
All right, so we got a Sportsman 570 against the what?
Polaris XL 2600.
I know you're gonna win.
Bryce, get straight. Bryce, turn straight. You're at an angle.
Whatever. Gaffed him. Oh, we got air. Alrighty guys, hello. Welcome back to your dose of Drew. I'm currently in Duluth, Minnesota, and the time is 5:15. It started snowing a couple hours ago, and it's making the roads turn to absolute slush. I've already got an inch on my hood, and I've just been sitting here for a couple minutes. So I'm gonna show you a little pop-up now of the 511. So that's road reports of Minnesota for us, and it says most of 61 is lightly covered in snow. So I'm gonna try and make a 3-hour drive in a pretty much blizzard. So here we go. All right, and just real quick before we go, don't mind the gas gauge, it's lying. I installed this today with my buddy. So I now have a 42-inch light bar tucked under my grill there. So that might come in handy. And then I also, right here, have a white and amber traffic advisor. So that might also come in handy. We're gonna give it a shot. We're ready to rock and roll. All right, we're currently at London Road in Duluth, heading north. See what the road conditions are like. There's actually an ambulance, 2 cars in front of me, so I feel a little better about myself. But these are current road conditions. I'll keep you updated once we get on the expressway here. All right, just topped off at the gas station, so it's working currently. We're over a full tank. I just threw 20 bucks in there, but not that you can see that. Also wiped off all the lights, so the light bar is nice and extremely bright now. So we're good to go. Things are looking up. I got stuck behind a plow truck, and although that means slow speeds, I am fine with that because plowed roads. We'll see how long he actually stays on the road though. Well, it's currently 8 o'clock. I'm still on the expressway in between Duluth and Two Harbors. We have an okay trail blazed. We're only doing about 40 to 45 miles an hour. Right, so, but I don't know. And it actually, the snow has just let up a little, so I can almost see in front of me now. So things are getting good. All right, well, here's a good idea where we are. Just passing the Sanju dealership, and their lights actually are helping quite a bit. So we're just outside Two Harbors now. It's 8:05. Again, we've still just been traveling anywhere from 35 to 45 miles an hour. It's a Durango Ford with a trailer and then me, and we seem to be blazing an okay trail. I don't know how north these people are going, and I'm going pretty much all the way, but we're still kicking it in 2-wheel drive, and we're doing all right. Alrighty, 80 miles to go. Current time is 8:30. I'm by myself on the road now. Plow truck just went the other way, which is okay, because that means I know where not to be over there. We're still kicking it in 2-wheel. My visibility's gone up at least double. So, and we're coming up to the Castle Danger sign right now, so that's my current location. Alrighty, we're just coming up to Silver Bay. You see those brake lights in front of me? That was actually a Ford Explorer police officer. Just went by me with his lights on. He's just got his front lights on, so I'm not sure. I honestly thought I was getting pulled over, but I'm not. And the guy in front of me was not getting pulled over either. So I'm not exactly sure. There might be an accident up ahead, most likely. Although he's turning into Silver Bay, so we'll never find out. I still got her in 2-wheel drive. It's 10 to 9. So we've got about, I don't know, 50 miles to go, give or take. We're just gonna keep on trucking. All right, it's currently 9:10 now, so 10 after 9. And we just entered Cook County. The snow has lightened up in the headlights. If I turn the high beams on or the light bar, it's just like we're going into hyperdrive. There's been some really dense, patchy fog. It's normally like the longest stretch has only been like 2 miles, but still makes it so visibility is like 2.5 feet. So, but other than that, we're making it home. We've only got about, oh, I don't know, 40 miles to go. Chewy, enter hyperdrive. Oh boy. Alrighty, we made it into Grand Marais. Current time is 9:53. Overall, 61 was, it was doable, you know. You gotta go with what you're comfortable with going. I managed to do it in 2-wheel drive. Most people probably could. As you can see here in town though, the roads haven't been plowed at all. But it's definitely a different type of snow up here. More towards Duluth, it was good, like packing snow, like, you know, good for snowmen, snowballs. Up here, it's more powder, which means the roads are a little slicker when there's more snow, unlike the other stuff. Alright, so I'm only a few miles away from home now, but as you can see, the roads are absolutely terrible. I did put it in 4-wheel drive just to avoid the hassle, but where the ruts are, where people have driven, it just pulls the truck into them. So I'm pretty much fighting to keep her in a straight line, and I'm barely on the throttle. But like I said, we're only a few miles away from home. I bet you we can make it. Alright, pulling onto our driveway now. Really see how bright that light bar is, especially compared to when I just have it off. So it's very bright. Very happy with that.